You are exhausted, but honestly, you haven't actually done anything today. That is the paradox that is driving you crazy, right? You slept 8 hours. You drank the coffee, you sat in a comfortable chair, but you still feel like a heavy fog is crushing you by 2 p.m. It's not because you are overworked, it's because you are suffering from an overdose of comfort. In this video, we are going to fix that lethargy immediately by stealing one specific, non-negotiable principle from the ancient Spartan agoge to shock your biology back to life. You think you need more rest, but you actually need more stress. Not the "my boss is annoying" kind of stress. That is toxic, passive stress that rots you from the inside. I'm talking about active adversity, or what the Spartans called Ponos, the concept of unifying toil and pain to build spirit. Here is the brutal truth about your biology. Your body is a ruthless efficiency machine. When you live in a climate-controlled box, order food with a thumb tap, and never lift anything heavier than a laptop, your body gets a clear signal. We are safe. No threats exist. Shut down the engines. That brain fog you feel, that isn't a sickness. That is your body going into hibernation mode because you haven't given it a reason to be alive. But before I give you the exact protocol to flip this switch, you need to understand the lifestyle villain that is sabotaging you right now. It is your thermostat. It is the elevator. It is the food delivery app. By constantly keeping yourself warm, fed, and comfortable, you have atrophied your body's ability to generate its own power. You've outsourced your vitality to your HVAC system and your conveniences. Science calls the solution hormesis, the biological reality that brief, intense bursts of physical stress trigger your mitochondria to reproduce. When a Spartan wore a single thin cloak in winter, he wasn't just being tough, he was forcing his body to burn fuel to stay warm, flooding his system with norepinephrine and dopamine, nature's most potent alertness chemicals. So, how do we fix this without moving to the mountains? We introduce the Micro-Ordeal. Starting today, you're going to intentionally seek out one moment of physical suck. Just one. When you take your shower, turn the handle to pure cold for the last 30 seconds. Yeah, it's going to shock you. Your brain will scream, no. But when you stay under that water, you are manually rebooting your nervous system. Or, when you feel hungry at 11 a.m., don't eat. Wait an hour. Let that hunger sharpen your focus. That is Ponos. You are signaling to your primal biology that you are not a passenger, you are a hunter. The moment you stop running from discomfort and start leaning into it, your energy comes roaring back because you are finally speaking your body's language. Stop trying to relax your way to vitality. It doesn't work. You have to earn it through friction. If this reality check gave you a new perspective on why you feel so drained, hit the like button. It tells us to keep making raw, non-sugar-coated content like this. And I want to know the truth. Don't lie. Tell me in the comments. What is the one comfort habit you're willing to kill today to get your edge back? Is it the hot water? The snacking? Let's talk about it.